Okay guys, that's the rubber piece that pops out. Down in there, 2 screws, one on that side, one on that side. You take those 2 screws out, and then you save them because you're going to use them. Real easy to get out. And my little wifey, being what she is, has got a little magnetic tray right there. She's intense. Now she's giggling. She don't want to talk. We gotta be real quiet. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do this because I'm going to have to help her hold that up. All right. Stick it in there, honey.
Fine, I'm just showing it to everybody.
Which way does it go? Does it go that way?
Yeah.
All right. Get your screw. Stick it back down in that hole there. Oh, I'm losing my phone. My phone's sliding out of my hand. I got it. You going back in okay?
I can't see because the Jeep is climbing up the.
Anyway, it goes back in that hole. Thank you, bye.